Call money market instrument, call money, treasury bill, commercial paper, and certificate of deposit. Start with the call money. This is the money borrowed or lent on demand of short period, which is generally 1 day, issued by the bank or can be issued by the insurance company or the mutual fund. They are called the call money market, interbank call money market. Most of the banks require call money to meet their CRR requirement, and interests paid on call money, उसको कहते हैं हम call rate, and there is inverse relationship between the interest rate and the call money amount. Then let's come to the treasury bill. It is also called T-bill, issued by the RBI on behalf of Government of India. Enables government to get short-term borrowings, as these bills are sold to bank and general public. These are negotiable instruments, freely transferable, issued at discount, and repaid at par. Safest instrument, as it is government security, maturing period 14 to 364 days, called zero coupon bond. Minimum amount can be only 25,000 and multiple of 25,000. And let's come to commercial bill, also called trade bill, accommodation bill, drawn by one business firm on another, used in credit purchase or sales, just like promissory note or bill of exchange. They have short-term maturity period of 90 days and can be discounted with bank before maturity. These are also negotiable, easily transferable. These are written acknowledgement of debt, where maker or drawer instruct the payer drawer to make payment. Next is commercial paper. These are introduced in 1990 in India. These are unsecured promissory note and issued by the public or private sector with fixed maturity period of 15 days to 1 year. The commercial bank and the mutual fund mainly are the investor of the commercial papers. Fund raised through commercial paper used to meet the flotation cost. Flotation cost is the cost which are incurred in issuing shares and debentures or the securities in the market. This, which is called as bridge financing. Main purpose of issuing commercial paper, meeting flotation cost, short-term funds requirement, and for seasonal and working capital need को पूरा करने के लिए they are issued. Next is certificate of deposit, sold in secondary market. Only bank can issue. It is a bearer certificate or a document of title. It is a negotiable instrument and transfer can be transferred easily, issued by the bank against the deposit kept by the companies and institution. Time period 91 days to 1 year. Can be issued to individual, companies or corporation. That's it.